Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Really? How? How did you even do that? Come on.
I don't know how you were in between the two cars.
You don't know how I was in between the two cars, so you hit me? Really?
I didn't hit you.
Yes, you just rear-ended me.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Traffic is moving.
Hold on. Pull over to the side. Actually, hold on. You didn't even do any damage, just get off the road.
If we don't get an arrow right here, what do you think you're doing? No. Don't let him over. Nope.
311 finishing the set. Next, I'm going to put on some of your top songs in 2024. First up, Cole McSween.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Make the turn.
Your problem was that commission pay back then was brutal. If my commissions didn't add up to at least minimum wage for the month, all I got was minimum wage. And in the 1980s, minimum wage was...
Video locked.
Tabarnak de calice. Calice.
No mames. What the?
To take it home, but Danielle won't put hers back in the box. No, because I picked this box. This is the box I'm going with. Let me do the ASMR. Take it home and then bring it back on maybe Wednesday, but I'm nervous I'll forget it Wednesday. Is there a safe place in this building?
There's got to be a person who has a...
Oh. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.